is manipulation, this is confirmation. Why this is manipulation? This gaps is not respecting, this gaps is respecting the gap. It is a gap was created, but still I am not going to take the trade here. Hello friends, welcome to ABD trading. After a long time I am recording live trading. Due to some work I am a little bit busy, so that's why I'm not unable to create a new video. Today I'm going to take some live trades based on liquidity and gaps. So last video I make about the gaps very detailedly, which is manipulation, which is confirmation, which is strong and which is weak. Everything I detailedly discussed in the video. If you not watch it, video link will be given in the description, below the description. Go and watch it. Then you can easily understand what is the fair value gap, which fair value gap should you believe it. Okay, see, this is 0 GPY very strongly moving down trend. Yes, see how strongly it was moving downside. After that suddenly market was went moving upside very strongly also. So what is the reason? So what kind of trading opportunities we have? Let me check and then I will take the trade. Please wait for until getting opportunity. After taking the trade I will explain what is the reason behind the trade and logic and everything, so you're able to understand which fair value gap should you believe. Okay, so this is the extreme fair value gap. This should be our reversal pattern, but maybe I think so there is any news, I think so that's why market reacting like this. I don't know. Okay, let's wait for the market will be stable. See how strongly market moving upside, just because of news, I think so. I don't know there is a news or no, I will need to check it. See, every market is like that only. It was giving very strong fall down within 2 minutes, but within minutes it will be covering all these markets. So it is a abnormal market. I need to wait for some time to market will be settled down, then I will take the trades. Okay, markets with this high suddenly moving down very fastly also. So this is act like a inverse fair value gap. Okay, but it was not respected, and here is a one gap. See, this is one kind of example. See, which is the first gap is here. So already after finishing our target, that means after sweeping the liquidity, this first gap will be a manipulation gap. Okay, so I am not going to be believe on this gap. I need more extra confirmation to take the trade. See, here is a two example. Here is the inverse fair value gap. This will be our inverse fair value gap. This is IFEG and this is our FEG. Both gaps are overlapping is there. Any two uh, reversal points, any two PDRAs with overlapping, that is very good strong. That's why market is strongly reverse and there is a force to market move upside also. So present I don't have any opportunity to take the trade. Please wait for the market will be settled down, then I will try to take a good trades. Then next we'll see, this will be sweep all the high sweep within minutes. So maybe there is a chances to market will retrace or maybe it will move upside also. What kind of confirmation market will give, I will go through that only. See, every market is very strongly moving upside. Okay, so maybe everyone will think, so why still it was moving strongly upside, but there is a gap. Why this gap will not hold our trade? See, this is moving very strongly upside. Yes, very strongly upside. But still there is a fair value gap. Even it was retraced, even it was mitigated here, it was not uh, respected to reversal here. Why? Because when our market sweep the liquidity below that or above that, always the first gap will be a manipulation gap. If market create any gap downside here, that will be our confirmation gap. Yes, this is one kind of confirmation gap for me. So I need to check to take the trade or not. I will take a one trade here. So what is the reason? I will explain. Simple logic. So even market very moving fastly upside. See, here is in blue color. There is a two gaps, which is a simple, wait for it. This is manipulation gap. This is manipulation gap, this is confirmation gap. So the two kind of gaps is there. See, this is manipulation, this is confirmation. Why this is manipulation? Here is a liquidity was sweep, it was not respected. After not respecting, market create the gap, so it went up downside very strongly. So this will act like a confirmation. Even market moving very strongly upside, but still I take a trade downside. Why? Because there is a reason. Simple logic, I have a confirmation, it is a manipulation, it is a liquidity sweep, and it is a target. So everything is indicating market will move downside. That's why I take a sell trade. So even if you wait, even it was market not in good mood, but still if you wait for the right setup, definitely you will be the win trade like this. I think now you understand the manipulation gap and confirmation gap. So wait for some more trades. After that I will explain the reason. Here is the extreme fair value gap is there. This is the extreme fair value gap, extreme FEG, but still it not reacting. It not give any reaction from here. If it is not reacted, that means that is the one kind of sign is it going to be break this. If it is reversal from here, I am not going to take any trade. Okay, because there is a two things to stop trading from me here. See, two things will be happening here. I will change the color here. See, simple logic, this will be our reversal point. That means extreme FEG is here. This is the extreme FEG. So, and the left side, it is giving confirmation fair value gap here. This is confirmation fair value gap. But which side we need to go for now? So this is the biggest question for everyone. But in this situation, don't take the trade. Just stay what market is going to do. As per my strategy, it was going up, trend upside, but as per market telling, it going to downside. So this is 50-50 chances. So we need to wait for the more confirmation which side market will be respected. Okay, so if you wait some time, if you listen carefully to the market definitely tell you what going to be happen in the market. Just listen to the market only. So this will be your target. See, so this was respecting this gap and this was respecting this gap. If market creating any gap, definitely sell. I will sell to up to this level. Simple logic. Because as per market already telling that. So this gaps is not respecting. This gaps is respecting the gap. So definitely it will move more down also. Let's wait for the creation of another gap. Then I will look for the trade. There is a chances to market create a gap. So let's wait. So market directly reaching our target. There is a two targets I have now. Simple thing. Here is the my target. These are the liquidity level, and below there is a gap. This is more confirmation. There is a chances to market reverse. If it is not respecting this gap, market will definitely fall down until this low or this low. There is a two chances to market will reverse here. Okay, there is a gap was created. Simple logic, it is a gap was created, but still I am not going to take the trade here. Already said here, same situation is happening here. What is the situation? When market sweep the liquidity and place gap also here, so the first gap will be always manipulation gap. So I am not going to take trade from here. If market creating any gap above from here, so I will take the trade from up to first up to this level, then this level, then this level. Have a targets, just I need to follow the rules only. Okay, if it is break now, this will be convert as a inverse fair value gap. Now this is our inverse fair value gap. So see here what's happening. It was not broken, it was just close exactly at this fair value gap. Still, even it was giving reaction, still I am not going to believe this gap. Okay, see here is also one kind of opportunity. Market try to creating a one kind of opportunity. So I am looking for opportunity, then I will explain the reason for the trade. what, what should I am looking, what kind of situation I am looking here. So just wait for it. I take a sell trade here, simple logic. I will explain. See, one second, I will change the color. See what's happening. Very strongly market went upside. Okay, but it not broken this high. It was sweep. Again it was sweep. It's unable to break this low. That means it was sweeping the liquidity. After sweeping liquidity, here is the one gap. Here is the one gap. This gap was disrespected. So this will be one first confirmation, and market create the new gap here. This will be my confirmation. This will be my confirmation. This zone is liquidity zone. This is the liquidity sweep zone. So this is the confirmation. So market at least move to this level or this level. We have a target below. So definitely it will close as a red candle, at least one candle as per my prediction. So that's why I take a sell option here. See, simply I was in here. What I'm looking here, just liquidity plus gaps, not more than anything. Okay, so when we are open the market at this zone, but I am not believe this gap. After that market already said that after finishing target, the first gap always will be a manipulation gap. This will be your manipulation gap, and here is a confirmation gap. So that's why I am not believing that. So market will still, there is chances to market will fall down, but I need more confirmation. This is the zone. There is a no resistance zone. My students all are very well know this is no resistance zone. That means market will, there is a chances to more fall down. There is a no person to stop the this momentum. And if you anyone want to join my course details, my contact details are this given in the description. Contact me in the Telegram. I will explain about everything about the course also. Okay, when you are watching my videos, if you feel it is worth it, the content is worth it, it is very, it will be useful for you, please subscribe the channel. I take a sell trade here. See, simple logic. How much strongly it was move went upside, strongly, very strongly went upside. Okay, first point. So after that, market was sweep the liquidity. After sweeping the liquidity, it is again not go break. Again, market was sweep this liquidity. So here is a gap. It was not respected. Just give one reaction. Then market is fall down. So that is one kind of confirmation for me. So, and here is this gap also broken. After breaking this gap, I take a simply sell trade. So now this trade also win. Last second, this trade also win. Now I have one more opportunity. Market creating the another gap here. Let's wait. If it is reacting from this gap, definitely I will take the one more sell trade. It was win. It is given any reaction above the 50% level, definitely I will take the trade. Then I will explain the trade. So there is chances this candle will be a green red candle. See, I take a one more sell trade because simple this liquidity was sweep. Now I have a confirmation gap. So I have a confirmation the target was below his here. There is a no reason to market will, there is a no reason to market will retrace this gap. Okay, even this retrace this gap, definitely I will take a one more sell trade also. Simple, I hope this will be close as a my red candle. I expected to come here and get the good entry point, but no issues. See, this also very good win trade. Continuously I take a two trades. Just I waited when I open the chart, this bullish momentum will be forming. You also see that. After that I wait for the good confirmation. How much strongly it was moving down upside doesn't make any sense, because market indicating it will move downside in this zone. Okay, in this zone this will be our no resistance area. That's why I take a more sell trades. So I take a four trades. 4 out of 4 is win. Just what is the reason? Simply liquidity and gaps. Do you want to trade like me with confidently with liquidity and gaps, fair value gaps? Contact me in the Telegram. I will tell the course details. See, I take a 5 trades maybe. See, all are win. Simple reason. So if you like my content, please do subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, traders. See.